a cosmetics brand can be an exciting venture, but it does require careful planning and execution. So let's get right into it. Step 1, market and research. You do want to identify your niche, determine what type of segment of cosmetics you will market and target to. Will it be skincare, makeup, hair care? You definitely want to dig deep to figure out what exactly you want to sell. Understand who your ideal customers are and their preferences and buying behaviors. Research other brands in your niche to identify gaps and opportunities to see what you can do different. Step 2 is create a business plan. Define your brand's mission, vision, and values. What will your brand stand for? Outline your product line and pricing strategy, and develop a marketing and sales strategy. How will you promote your products and how will you distribute your products? You need to figure that out as well. Step 3 is legal considerations. Choose a business structure. Will it be LLC, corporation? Be sure to have your EIN number and your permits. You'll also want to check to see if your business name is trademarked, just to be sure you don't get sued later on. Step 4 is product development. So, of course, if you want to start a beauty brand, you can start with Shopify. Make a Shopify account, go to apps, type in the Shopify App Store beauty. And then this is a way you guys can start for a low-cost method, dropshipping makeup. So this is one supplier. They're called Dropship.io. And as you see, you can set up your own branding products. You can add your logo to the products. You can name your products. You can even price your own products as well to make a profit. So this dropshipping makeup brand, cosmetics brand, does have branding. So there goes an example. You pay $15 for a product, you sell it for $40, you profit $25. So that is pretty much dropshipping. You keep the profits. You don't have to hold the inventory. The vendors will ship the items for you. So this is one dropshipping vendor that you can use. As you can see, they have other categories and you can order samples. They have like eyeshadow, mascara, lip gloss, anything you could think of. And I believe they ship from the US. And then you can track the order status if it was received to your customer step by step. So it's a pretty good app. And like I said, you can place sample orders, just test out your own products. Because of course you want to ensure that the quality is safety and compliance with industry regulations. And here go a couple more categories that they do have. So this is one dropshipping makeup vendor. Now I'm going to show you another vendor in the Shopify App Store. This one is called Via Glamour. So I'll show you guys some information about them. Like I said, you can customize your own branding, add your logo. This is like their lipstick. And they have other cosmetic items as well. And you can customize soap box as well, lip gloss tubes. You can design your own products, organic, cruelty-free, paraben-free, which is cool. So this is more of like an eco-friendly cosmetic dropshipping makeup vendor. They ship with USPS every Friday. So that's pretty good. 0 minimum orders. So this is another dropshipping makeup vendor that you can use. And like I said, you do need a Shopify account. Shopify is the best, app you can use to dropship with, or e-commerce platform. So here go some more information, branding as well, vegan eyeshadow, which is cool. So check out these dropshipping makeup vendors on Shopify and the Shopify App Store. Step 5 is branding and design. You do want to create a brand identity, including your logo, packaging, and overall aesthetic. So try to stick to certain colors and text and fonts. Step 6 is website and e-commerce. Build a professional website that showcase your brand and products. Set up an online store with secure payments options. So of course, use Shopify. You can start for $1 your first month. Step 7 is marketing and launch. Be sure to plan a launch strategy that includes building up that anticipation through social media, influencer, and partnerships. You'll definitely want to order samples to create content in. Step 8 is customer service and feedback. Be sure you are A1 on your customer service, responding back to emails, chats, returns. Be sure to build that trust and get that credibility. So your business, your makeup cosmetic brand is known for that you're going to respond. Your customers will know. And finally, step 9, monitor and adapt. Be sure that you, of course, get the customer feedback, market trends to refine your products and your strategies, and always stay informed with the latest industry trends and the regulation changes. Starting a cosmetics brand requires a blend of creativity and attention to detail. It's essential to be passionate about your products and committed to delivering quality and value to your customers. So I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave your comments down below.